today's video, let's discuss about chemical reaction. I have here an experiment, but before to proceed this experiment, first, what is chemical reaction? Chemical reaction, a process in which one or more substance or reactants are converted to one or more different substance. The product substance are either chemical elements or compound. A chemical reaction rearrange the constituent atoms of the reactants to create different substance or product.
Today, I'm going to show you a really cool experiment with water and ground black pepper. Start by taking a plate. I like to use a white one, like this, and pour on some water. Then take your pepper and sprinkle a bit all over the water, like this. You can see the pepper sits on the surface of the water, and if you dip your fingertip in, nothing really happens. You might get some pepper stuck to your finger, but that's about it. Next, take some washing up liquid and wipe a tiny amount on the end of your finger, like this. Then try dipping your finger into the water again. As you can see, the pepper seems to magically shoot away from your finger.
But the first question to ask is why the pepper flakes float? Why don't they sink or dissolve in water? The answer is water molecules like to stick together. They line up in the certain way that will give the top the water surface tension because the pepper flakes are so light and hydrophobic, the surface tension keeps them floating on top. So why does the pepper shoots to the side when soup touches the water? As the soup moves into the water, the surface tension changes. The pepper no longer floats on top, but the water molecules still want to keep the surface tension going. So they pull back away from the soup and carry the pepper along with them.
The importance of this discussion that we will always remember in time now where there is COVID-19, make sure that always wash your hand with soap to avoid germs. Just like as I made the experiment, it's shown that when we don't use soap, it can stick the germs to your hand. But when we always washing our hand using soap, the germs wouldn't stick to your hand. Kaya kailangan natin na laging maghugas ng kamay o panatiliing malinis para makaiwas sa sakit.